how to duplicate your folder on Google Drive. It's a very quick and easy process, so it's not going to take a long time. First, you have to log into your account and open your Google Drive right here, as I've done. So once you do that, what you can do is go to the place where you want to duplicate your folder and simply right click here. Here you can see an option to create a new folder, or there is a shortcut Alt plus C plus F. So you can simply create a new folder right here. And let's say if I want to create a new folder named videos, what I want to do is name this one videos as well. And the new folder should be created now right here. So this one I've just created. And in order to move content from this folder, I can just select all of these files from here and Control C or Command C if you are on your Mac, and then go back to the other folder that you've just created and paste it here. So as you can see, both of these folders are now identical, and from here you have identical folders on Google Drive. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.